Be harvest time because we got the whole sickness thing going on again. And as you remember, I was sick last fall when we were harvesting. Now I'm sick this fall. What are we doing today? All right, we're gonna clean out the bin, put the corn that's in the bin in that wagon. That bin will be ready to load soybeans up this auger into it. After we do this, I'm gonna grease up the combine and we'll get ready to go here. There we go. She's ready for beans and I'm ready for bed. I may or may not have pneumonia. We will survive. Let's go get the grease gun and then slap some grease in and we'll vacuum the cab out and be ready. So this thing's got this diagram here that's real handy and tells you how many hours between greasings you have to do. So I did these 400 ones before wheat and I haven't even put 50 hours on it since wheat, but I'm gonna throw some grease in it anyway. I guess it's not gonna hurt. All right, Levi and Sawyer wanted to make some money, so they're up here sprucing up the cab. Did you get it all spiffed up yet? No. Not yet? Okay, so what does that leave me to do? Well, I'm gonna go take that corn wagon that we just filled over to the barn, and then, what else? Putter. That's all we're doing today. Well, that's great. We got birds in the cab. There you go. Well, hopefully they didn't poop on anything. Are you all gone, birds? Or are you gonna attack me? Okay, well, just a little poop. Ugh. We got her cleaned up, ready to go ish. Haven't washed it yet. It's still a little dusty from wheat harvest. We only combined 50 acres of wheat, so I didn't really think it was worth washing it all over again. Windows washed, surfaces wiped down. Thanks for getting the windshield wash that I dropped, Sawyer. Dad's airing up the tires, and I think we'll be ready. Anyway, here we go. Let's skedaddle. I'll buckle up too. There. You ready? I'm ready. What's that red square? You can record as me. Look up the head. Wait, just pull that out. Got her hooked up, and then for our settings we're gonna go about, I'm gonna start at 700 on the rotor speed according to the book. If I remember right from last year, it was more like 800. And then concave clearance is 10, fan speed is 8, chaffer is at 10, sieves at 4. Let's try that. All right, here, Sawyer. Beans! Beans! I like beans. This is fun. You want to sit on my lap, do you? We gotta get around the field once or twice while we do too much riding, okay? Alright, the moisture's 13%. I've got a lot of crud in the bin. Oh, you can't see through that window. So I'm gonna close the chaffer down, which is the top sifter thing, and then I'm gonna, no, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Probably close both of them down a little bit. Anyway, I'm no professional. Don't listen to me. sound good. Well, when I turn the head on, there's a growling noise, which I remember from the end of last year was there. We did something to it to make it stop, and now it's back. I'm waiting for the professional mechanic to get here, and he's gonna tell us how much money we have to spend to fix it. This gearbox right here is a culprit. It's very hot, so we can't touch it. So I suppose we're probably gonna have to tear it off and redo it.
That doesn't seem right. I think I have to take this these bolts out, take this inner collar out to get these inner bolts to get it off the rest of the way.
Look at this right here, it's all worn. There's too much bounce in this thing. Yikes. Oh dear. Poor bar. That's not gonna go well. Dude, I would stop.
Yeah, snap the U-joint.
Hang on to it. You sure you're going the right way? You're gonna bend this.
I think the only way I'm gonna get this off of here is to hold this from spinning.
You got big pipe wrenches in the barn.
Will that open up to 5 inches? Well, what do you want to do? You want to run this thing back down to the barn?
Yeah, we're gonna take her back to the shop. We're pulling the biggest monkey wrench known to man out of retirement. This was on the antique wall.
Parents would get a good chuckle out of this. What? What are you hiding behind your back? Hey, hey, hey!
Me and Sawyer found
Success!
when Mommy and Dad we were having a baby girl.
Ah, that's cold! Oh! Okay, okay. Hey, hey. Straight off. Okay. There we go.
Well, might as well replace that seal while we're here. Everything in there feels tight. If anything, that sounds like this chain's a little loose.
Well, that's all you needed me for, right?
Well, that's all I can do for today anyway.
There we go. We got our first 5 acres of soybeans harvested. 2022. Is that the year it is?
Not
I
off
think
to
so.
a good start.